7.SP.8a. Number 6. Company assigns codes to each of the customers. The first part of the code is A, B, or C. The second part is 0 or 1. And the third part is M or F. The possible outcomes are AOM, AOF, A1M, A1F, BOM, BOF, B1M, B1F, COM, COF, C1M, C1F. Which statements are true? Okay, we need to find the probabilities here. So let's see, how many total are there? Well, there are 3, 2, and 2. So that should be 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Because we have 3 possible outcomes for the first event, 2 and 2. So 3 times 2 is 6, times 2 is 12. So out of the 12, let's look at A, the probability of having a B or a 1. How many of these have B's or 1s? There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 out of 12. Divide it by 4. When you get 2/3, A works. Moving on to B, the probability of having a 0 or an M. There are 12 possibilities. How many of them have 0 or M's? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. No, that can't work. Let's see. Oh yeah, that'd be 9. 9 over 12. Simplify, divide them both by 3, and you get 3/4. So B does not work. C, the probability of having a C or not having an F. Having a C. So what's the probability of having a C? 1, 2, 3, 4. So there are 4 not having C's. And what's the probability of not having an F? This does not have an F, so it's 1 more. 2, 3, 4. Oh wait, we do not want an F. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. Which simplifies to 1/3, so C does not work. D, the probability of having an A or not having an M is 1/6. So probability of having an A, so what's how many of them have A's in them? Oh, sorry, having an A and not having an M. So many of them have A's but not M's. So these 4 have A's. And how many A's? We need an A and no M. So this one is an A with no M, and this one is an A with no M. So that gives us 2 out of 12, which does simplify to 1/6. D works. And E, the probability of having a 0 and not having a 1. So we want 0 and not having a 1. Select a code in a randomly selecting code, so that would be all of them. It's probably of having a 0 and not having a 1. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, which equals 1/2. E is not an answer.